How can we get to Tokyo Disneyland? First of all, you have to get to Japan. The park is situated near Tokyo. You have to get to the Maihama station and then buy a ticket at the Disney Resort line. The price is about $7, the whole day ticket. If you want to save money, then walk about 10 minutes from Maihama. By the way, I bought myself the most expensive ticket that allows you to run to the Disney Sea Station. If you have only one day left, then do not overpay. Even one day is not enough to enjoy the park. What's the best thing you can do in Tokyo Disneyland? This is the place where dreams come true. Do you want to see Pluto? Are you still not familiar with Donald Duck? Hey, so guys, let's take a walk. Never before I haven't seen so many Japanese citizens in one place. I decided that the name Tokyo Disneyland is not accidental, because guests from other countries are simply not here. So, the territory of the park is huge. For guests visiting Tokyo Disneyland for the first time, there are so itineraries and information to help you enjoy your day at the park. But first of all, let's walk around. The master making glass figures is a real wizard. Right before your eyes, from the molten glass, heroes of cartoons are born. And no matter how old are you, there are miracles and magic around every corner. Just relax and stay in the fairy world all day. The masters of the Disney Magic Factory are friendly enough and don't mind filming on camera. Do you think all these people are sitting on the floor because they consider themselves Europeans? No, everyone is waiting for a miracle. Very soon, namely after 5 hours, Pluto will appear on this road. Children are ready for hours to wait for the appearance of the hero and see him from the first row. As you can see, the main age group is boys and girls under 16. At first I did not understand why people are sitting under umbrellas. I know that they are used for tanning, but the sun in Tokyo seemed soft. After a day in the park, my face was like a tomato, so don't ignore umbrellas. Standard Tokyo masks are striking. According to Japanese citizens, they are used against infections. So be it. As for the ears on the heads, I'll stop here in more detail. Each person considers it his duty to make a purchase. Why not? They are real fans of everything Disney does. The theater, unfortunately, is designed mainly for Japanese and English-speaking citizens. Naturally, there was no translation in Ukrainian. I sat for a few minutes and left the room. But the atmosphere will make you constantly smile and laugh. What can you buy in the park? The answer is whatever you want: clothes, shoes, souvenirs. My favorite pastime was trying on hats. It is so fun to dress up as your favorite heroes. Japanese are buying a lot. Despite the high prices, the Japanese are actively shopping. It's true that Japan has a high standard of living, so it's not a problem to catch some goods for themselves. Disney toys are magnificent. In our country, I haven't seen such lines for expensive souvenirs. What is the price of food in the park? The cost of food is usually for Japan, but not for me. $11 for one dish. But the peppered rice patty filled my stomach for the rest of the day. As for the taste, it is excellent. In this restaurant named Hungry Bear, you can fill your bottle with free water. It's hard to even understand. People come here to ride rides, eat, or just to take a walk. The answer is simple. Behind all this, the taste of ice cream at Disneyland seemed amazing to me. I have been looking for ice cream balls for a long time, and when I found it, I could not deny myself this pleasure. Critter Country is a small area at the park and is dominated by a single major attraction, Splash Mountain. This was my only attraction. Ride lasts about 10 minutes. During the boat ride, we will meet new characters. Funny gnomes, frogs and owls will wait you at every turn. The impression of such a trip is so powerful that I wanted the trip to never end. Sometimes you want to scream, like now. Sometimes you just want to enjoy and be where you are, like now. This boat ride takes you to the world of Disney classic film, Song of the South. But be prepared for a 45-degree drop down a 16-meter high waterfall. Your plunge will be captured on film. Visit Splashdown Photos to purchase the copy. Expectant mothers and persons of advanced age should not ride. Guests who do not meet the high requirement may not ride. What can an adult do in the park? Oh, the answer is simple. You can do the same as your children and have fun. Boating, watching magic garbage cleaners, admire the show, buy various cartoon souvenirs. Oh hey, this guy from the store at the Shibuya Crossroads. I bought him for myself. There are so many places where you want to go. And don't stop, the park is open at your service. There are no paid places, except for meals. To all of you who come to this happy place, welcome. Here you will discover enchanted lands of fantasy and adventure, yesterday and tomorrow. May Tokyo Disneyland be an eternal source of joy, laughter, inspiration and imagination to the people of the world. And may this magical kingdom be an enduring symbol of the spirit of cooperation and friendship between the great nations of Japan and the United States of America. And of course, Japan and Ukraine. So guys, this is the first release in full English. I hope you will like it. So subscribe the channel.